Welcome to a small tutorial on a new WeightLifter feature. Let's say you have an animation about a house on a hill, and you move your camera around in this animation, and you want to show some trees as well. Now you can use WeightLifter to calculate a weight map that shows only the vertices that are visible from the camera. You can do this by selecting WeightLifter from the Weights menu, and then you can set all sorts of options, but you can also bake this so that this weight map, this camera view, is calculated for every frame. This will take some time, but once you are done, you will end up with a collection of weight maps that will be applied for every frame, so that you can restrict your particle system to whatever is visible in the camera in that specific frame. Let's see how this looks. So we enable our particle system, and we restrict the visibility to the camera weight group that we have calculated. It will be updated every frame. So when we preview it, you see that it works, but all the trees are walking, which is not something that we want. This is an intrinsic problem of Blender, because it will recalculate all the positions when the weight map changes. However, in the newest version of WeightLifter, we have the option to combine those maps into a single map. If we go to Weight Paint mode again and click on the Combine Bakes option here, all those maps will be combined into a single map. If we now make sure that our particle system is indeed limited to our camera map, you will see that the animation is limited to whatever is visible somewhere in the animation frame, and that the trees are not walking. You can see how this looks when we go back to Weight Paint mode. You see that the combined map that is now available in all the frames combines the overlap between all the visible parts in each frame. Now this is not so efficient as calculating it for every frame apart separately, but at least now the trees are not moving, and still the total amount of your animation or your landscape that is visible to the camera is still less than the complete landscape. So you still save a lot on the number of particles that you need to create the density that you want. I thought this is a neat feature of WeightLifter, so I wanted to share this with you. WeightLifter is of course available from Blender Market. Hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and see you next time.